எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நல்லா இருக்கே, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கே. Assalamu alaikum, namaste ji. My name is Dastan. I'm your guide for Tashkent only, today and for tomorrow, and also in the last day, because in the last day we have a Chungan and Charwak Lane tour, right? Yes. So, which language? Tamil Nadu or English? Hindi? English? Tamil? Okay. Anna, polama. Hotel polama. So now we are going to hotel which is called Inspire S, one of the very nice hotel and located in the old part of the Tashkent city. And near to the old Inspire S, we have very famous location which is called by locally, not officially, Ganga. I'll show you also the territory. I think you know in India one river Ganga, you know.
Yes.
Very nice. So, dear guests, right now we are going to the hotel, and after that we'll give you some time for freshen up, and after that we'll go for a best park, amusement park in the Tashkent city. Okay? Today program only we have Magic City, and also we don't want to load so many information and also tours for you for arrival day. So we have only for today Magic City Park, and over there also I hope still working, because 2 months ago opened one Indian restaurant, because in Uzbekistan, in our country, let me say general information about Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan, double landlocked country, and we got the independence from the USSR in 1991, and right now we are independent. So Uzbekistan, double landlocked country, we don't have a sea border, we have only land border, and of course double landlocked. We need to see, we need to reach to the sea after 2 countries from both sides. Uzbekistan bordered with the 5 countries: Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, and Kyrgyzstan. Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan, and our official language is Uzbek, and our second language is Russian. And in Uzbekistan, our currency is Som, aajkal ki rate, nowadays rate. So $1 is around 11,900. And it means if you change in our country $100, you are millionaire. It will be more than 1 million, right? So that's why in everywhere you can change your money, but from the official rate you need to go to bank. If you want to go to bazaar, if you want to go to some shop, if available, if they have some, they can change. It's no problem. But in bazaar, in some shops can be a little bit less price. For example, 11,800, 11,700, like that. And also, by the way, ATM in every corner of the Tashkent, there are so many ATMs. From ATM also you can change your dollar, no problem. Okay? So in our country, for taxi, mostly we are using Yandex. For example, in Dubai, Uber, like Yango, yeah, like this kind of. I know so many taxi, but in our country we are using Yandex. Yandex is more popular, and also majority of the people are using Yandex and more actual. Okay, but by the way, one more information about the taxi. If you want to go somewhere but you don't have any facility to book the Yandex taxi, you can ask from the reception, or you can ask from the information center of the wherever you go. For example, shopping mall, like this kind of, you can ask, they can arrange for you Yandex taxi. And by the way, if you go to the road and raise your hand like this, any kind can stop, and you will show the location, and also by calculator you can show the price. For example, you already came from hotel to from A to B, and you want to return, go back from B to A, and you can show the for example approximately 25,000. So you came from A to B, and same price will be for return. Okay. So what else? In Uzbekistan, we don't have vegetarian food. Our all foods cuisine, our all cuisines are non-vegetarian, because in Uzbekistan 85% of the population are Muslims. And if we say what is Uzbekistan, how is like that? For example, UAE is like an Islamic country, right? So many things by Sharia, by Islam. But in Uzbekistan, Uzbekistan is democracy republic country. Uzbekistan is not Islamic country, but Uzbekistan is Muslim country. And what does it mean? Because in our country, our constitution, our laws, everything not by Sharia, not by Islam. But majority of the people are Sunni Muslims. And as I told you, 85% of population are Muslims, and 12% is Christian, and 3% other religions. Okay? So that's why, you know, in our country, in Tashkent, we don't have vegetarian food. I mean, Uzbek vegetarian food we don't have. Can be Indian food, can be Vietnamese food, can be Chinese food, available everywhere. We have so many Korean food, Korean restaurant we have, and Turkish restaurant. But thing is that Uzbek cuisine is not vegetarian. Will be only non-vegetarian. And by the way, it can be some samosa, for example, can be also veg. But so many places they are adding also fat of mutton. They will add some fat of mutton as well. Before eating, for example, you can ask, this is pumpkin samosa? Yes. But they don't care about you, because it can be already added mutton fat or beef fat. So that's why you need to clarify there is no in the inside of the samosa. And by the way, in samosa in our country will be baked in tandoor. Tandoor, I think you know, yes? We don't have fried samosa. We don't have. So, and what else? Uzbekistan, as I told you, independent country. We got the independence from the USSR in 1991, and we celebrate our Independence Day 1st of September. 1st of September. And as I told you, the biggest city in Uzbekistan is Tashkent, and second biggest city is Samarkand. I think you have also in your program, in your itinerary, Samarkand also city you have, and by bullet train, as I know. So day after tomorrow, we'll go to Samarkand. In Samarkand, by the way, will be another guide. Will meet you and guiding you in Samarkand city 2 days. Okay? When you come back to Tashkent, again I'll meet you. Inshallah. In Uzbekistan, we have so many like this kind of branded shopping malls. You can one of the on your left side, one of the shopping mall, and the next shopping mall. And in Tashkent, the biggest shopping mall is Tashkent City Mall. The biggest one, Tashkent City Mall. And the mostly clothes and everything will be import. Also we have textile. Also we have some factories of. And by the way, on your left side, one more street which is called Seoul Moon. At the night time will be very, very beautiful. At the night time will be very, very beautiful. Maybe tomorrow we'll come to the Seoul Moon. Today we have Magic City to explore the Magic City Park. So you can see so many Chevrolet cars in Uzbekistan. We have manufacturing of Chevrolet, GM, General Motors in Uzbekistan. So that's why we are using mostly like this kind of Chevrolet cars. So by the way, I have a water for everyone. I want to distribute till the hotel. You can drink the water if you want. Okay. So timing, we'll reach to the hotel around 3 o'clock. I think 2 hours is enough for freshen up. 2 hours with the checking, because also checking time, also taking time. Check-in also taking time. So that's why I think 2 hours totally is enough for everyone. And after reaching up to 5 o'clock assembling to the lobby, and 5 o'clock we move from the hotel for Magic City. And Magic City on your left side. Yeah, at the night time will be more beautiful with the lightning and will be more crowd. Yes, we'll come after at 5 o'clock. We'll move from the hotel and we'll come to the Magic City. And by the way, I forgot to tell you one more thing. There is one Indian restaurant. By the way, Indian restaurant is here inside, which is called Bollywood. Opened 2 months ago. I'm not sure they are still working or not, but we have so many varieties and also so many Turkish and Uzbek restaurants inside of the Magic City. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Sapara Hotel. Okay, thank you so much. At the bus, please, your children, you should be sit down, because we don't know when it breaks. We don't know, and also that the police, if they will find, I mean, they will catch like this, they can make a penalty for the driver. And especially when we are moving in the bus, please, your children should be sit down. Thank you so much. So any sawal? Question? Country, we don't have any crime, we don't have any rope like mafia, street boys. There is no like this kind of people. So that's why you can go anywhere, anytime, in the night time, in the morning time, in the daytime. It's very safe and also very, very peaceful country, Uzbekistan. Okay?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.